Hello, John. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to use the block quote tag and why is it very, very useful, especially when you are writing HTML code. So to do that, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do here is to quickly open a new folder by just selecting folder, and then let me just use this. Let me say quote. So tag. Then we definitely want to open this up inside my code editor. So after it has already opened successfully, I want to create my index.html file, index.html file, and close this sidebar, close this also. The next thing is to bring out this normal template, and then I can just change the title to code. Perfect. Now let's have a quick paragraph tag that say, yeah, let's say work hard. Now then let's save it up. And then let me quickly copy part. I did a mistake. I refused to copy the part. So let me copy the part and then paste it here and hit on enter. You see now this is our paragraph tag. Then let me say someone who made this code is by, let's say, anonymous by anonymous. Then I save it up and then let's quickly see how it appears inside our browser. Now you see definitely it's adding a little bit of spacing because by default when you're adding a citation to block quote tag, the browser defaultly adds some margin from the top, margin from the left, and also margin from the bottom to your to it. So if you really enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new, you can kindly subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.